When you are finished using your myAIRVO 2, take off the interface. If you are using supplementary oxygen, turn off the oxygen source before turning off your myAIRVO 2 device. Press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds until a melody sounds. Your device will automatically enter drying mode and dry the tube so it is ready for you to use next time. Drying mode runs for 99 minutes. Your device will automatically turn off when it is finished. Disconnect the interface from the air spiral tube while the drying mode runs. If using the Optiflow Junior Home Nasal Cannula, do not soak or sterilize this product. After each treatment session, rinse the interface in drinking quality water. Once rinsed, reconnect it to the air spiral tube while still in drying mode to dry the interface. If using the reusable chamber, remove it from your device after drying mode is complete by pushing down the finger guard and pulling it out. If using the autofill chamber, do not wash or remove this chamber. It can be used for up to 2 months before requiring disposal. Discard any remaining water by tipping the chamber upside down. Separate the chamber dome from the base with the removal tool. Hand wash the chamber parts in warm water with a mild dishwashing detergent. Then rinse the chamber parts thoroughly in fresh water, ensuring all the soap residue is removed. Leave the parts out to dry, being careful to avoid direct sunlight or heat. At the end of each week, your myAIRVO 2 will require a thorough clean to remove debris and contamination. Unplug your device from the electrical supply. Remove the reusable chamber. If using the autofill chamber, do not wash this chamber. Carefully put the autofill chamber aside. Never carry your myAIRVO 2 with the water chamber installed. Disconnect the patient interface and the air spiral tube. If using the Optiflow Junior Home Nasal Cannula, discard after a maximum of 7 days. Replace earlier if necessary. Wash the patient interface in warm water with mild dishwashing detergent. Rinse it in drinking quality water, and then set it aside to dry. If using the reusable chamber, once every 7 days, the chamber can be cleaned in a domestic dishwasher. Remove the base from the chamber dome and place both parts on the top shelf, ensuring they are able to drain. The reusable chamber may discolor over time due to mineral deposits found in tap water. To reduce this buildup, soak the base in a solution of 1 part vinegar and 2 parts water for 10 minutes. Clean the chamber by following the daily cleaning steps prior to next use. Dip a clean and low-lint cloth in warm water with mild dishwashing detergent. Make sure it is damp but not wet. Thoroughly wipe the exterior of your device and the inside of the air spiral tube connection port. Do not use harsh abrasives or solvents, as these may damage your device. Refit the water chamber and the air spiral tube into your device. Your device is now ready for another week of use.